Let's fix if your right or left AirPod loses battery faster than the other one. Now, if I head into my settings here and then tap on my AirPods Pro, you can see here I have the battery for my different AirPods, and you can see I'm currently at 100%. But if you find that your left and right one lose battery at different rates, or say one is really getting drained, your left one or your right one, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now you can see here under noise control is noise cancellation or transparency, or you can turn it off. Turning that off will help that battery life. And then you can see here press and hold AirPods. I can tap on that and you can see here that both of these have the option for noise cancellation, transparency, or off if you want to choose that. And then if I scroll down, there are a few other things that I can choose as well. So let's go down and we can tap on microphone here. If it's set to always on left AirPod or always on right AirPod, then that will drain the battery of either your left or right one faster. So if you say automatically switch AirPods, then it will go back and forth and it will drain the battery kind of equally between the two. You can scroll down again, you can tap on accessibility here. And if you have noise cancellation turned on with one AirPod, this allows one AirPod to be put on noise cancellation. That's not a great thing because that can again drain just one, your left or your right AirPod battery there. And then if you want to, if you go choose to forget this device and then reconnect to it, sometimes that will reset all of your settings so that it won't drain the battery for one specific AirPod. It will drain them kind of equally between the two, and you won't be in a scenario where your left one is dead and your right one still has a charge. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.